Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Chester. My name is Chester and today I'm here to showcase to you my second altcoin of the day, and that is XMR Monero. The reason why I've chosen this as one of my altcoins of the day today is because we're near enough ready for a breakout scenario coming through here. And let's just get some price predictions, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys for too long here because obviously it's a very quick update for Monero. But as you can see here, guys, from the all-time high coming through here, it's sat at around $520 there for Monero. A trend line coming all the way down like so. Obviously, we've got heavy rejection the last time we actually tested that in September. The resistance was very strong indeed, bring us all the way down to $231 from around $319. Crazy price action there. Now, where are we now? We've got a falling price channel here, guys. You can see the levels of support along this zone in terms of the levels of support in terms of the bounce back in the price. They're very good indeed. If we can actually ever get down there again to around that 195, 190 sort of area, we're looking at a lovely bounce point there. So that's definitely going to be a low for Monero that I would be saying here on the daily. But as you can see, guys, we've nearly got the momentum to get over this trend line and actually invalidate some really crucial lower highs here. As you can see here, from the first September actual dump on the first Tuesday of September, the first dump coming through there, we actually set a lower high after that. Now, the most recent pump coming through at the start of October, it's been pretty progressive there for cryptocurrency in general. We have actually come up and we've invalidated the most recent lower high there for Monero, and that basically means, guys, it's looking a lot more bullish right now. And we are also setting higher lows continuously. Right, higher lows are being set continuously and not invalidated, guys. The little pullbacks, these are absolutely healthy. So right now, what we're looking for, we're above all major moving averages. What we're looking for here, guys, we're looking for a nice spike for Monero here, a nice candle daily close around this 278, that sort of area. If we can get a nice daily close above that, then we are going to be looking a lot more progressive to the upside, and then we can really talk about setting new higher highs for this trend. But at this point in time, guys, it's really not too bad because this pullback is actually really quite healthy. If we do some percentages from when we first started pumping to now going on candle body close to the top there, to the high there, it's around 36%, guys. So if we're seeing any sort of retracement coming through there, it's really actually quite healthy for this to happen. And it's only like a 10% retracement when we've pumped 36%, nearly 40% there. So if we are going to bang it up from here, it's still going to be a healthy uptrend. It's still going to be a nice chart to be basically taking advantage of. In terms of a long position for this this altcoin in general, right? Obviously the OGs know I'm a lot more. I'm very bullish on Monero in general, just because they've got a lot of good fundamentals behind them. They're basically starting out where Bitcoin started out, and they're resistant to blockchain forensics. So in the dark, when Bitcoin started, it basically started in a sense on the dark web for transactions and stuff like that, because they thought it was untraceable. Monero have basically swooped in and now said we're untraceable, and now it's being used heavily on the dark web, which is very progressive for the price. So it's actually an altcoin that is actually got really good use and that's being used every single day. Granted, yes, it's not very legal, but but it's still got a use at the end of the day, and if we can profit from that, then we're going to, and that's why I think it is very seriously underpriced at the moment. We're above all major moving averages here, guys, looking for a breakout at a horizontal at 283 there. If we are going to be looking for this breakout, the measure move, as I just drew, there is going to be something along the lines of this, and this is obviously speculatively speaking on where we're going to break, guys. Definitely a long position to be taken advantage from. We're going to be staggering take profits all the way up as we go there, and we're not going to be getting in until we break this previous high there. We're not going to get until we break this previous high here, and that's going to be around that 296 there. So in terms of percentage from that 296 all the way up there, guys, we're going to be looking at around a 15% gain there, testing the previous high coming through there, sat at around 340. If we can get above that, the next target is going to be the volume weighted ATR band coming through there, as we haven't really got any congruent sort of lower highs coming through in this sort of area. We've got a little bit of resistance, I would say, as the top of the measure move is there, probably around this zone, as you can see there, guys. So yeah, it's definitely a take profit point and basically a closed trade at the end of that. But yeah, aiming for around 15.59% for this long position for Monero coming through there. Let me jump down to the 4 hourly because we got a bit more information coming through. We've got a falling wedge. Well, actually no, it's a parallel chart, but falling parallel channel, guys, and obviously at the top of an uptrend, that's a bull flag, which means a continuation pattern to the upside. So basically, I think we're probably going to bounce up here, potentially find a bit of resistance on this trend line coming down from the previous all-time high before we break. But ideally, we do want to actually maybe consolidate for a bit and then break, and then probably come down for a retest, and then be looking for a nice bit of progression to the upside for Monero there. But yeah, overall looking pretty bullish, I must say. Coming down, as we come down from this high point here, we've not really invalidated any really crucial lower highs here. As you can see, the wick to the downside here is here. We've got the and that's at 262. We haven't invalidated that. If the price actually goes lower than this and we break to the downside here, guys, the next target is going to be around that 252 there. But to be honest with you, if that happens, we are going to be a lot more bearish right now, because if you invalidate these higher lows here and you're setting continuous lower highs without being invalidated, without invalidating the other ones, like as you can see here, we have actually come up and invalidated this lower high, so it is pretty good. But if you don't do stuff like this, you're actually going to be a lot more bearish if you do clear this this high low coming through here. So yeah, definitely a few things to watch out for there in terms of a more micro sort of uptrend, a more micro sort of long position to be looking out for here, guys. In terms of a measure move, it could be something along the lines of this. For me, to be honest, it's a bit too small for me to be getting into. I mean, it's not too small. It's around 5%, but it's a bit too. You can see the resistance that we've got. We can see the all-time high trend line coming down there. Very strong dominance indeed from that. So yeah, it's a bit too much to work with, I'd say. So I would just be looking for that really big completion, new higher high, getting breached there, entering along after that, and going for that really big swing of around 15.59%. That's going to be it from me. That's going to be your Monero update for the day, guys, and that's why I've chosen it for my altcoin of the day there. But yeah, guys, I do stream every single day, Monday to Friday, so make sure you smash up that like button, smash that subscribe button, and tune in with me every single day, Monday to Friday. And I do BTC updates. I do 3 altcoins of the day. As you can see here, I'm showcasing one of my altcoins of the day today, and also an altcoin request part of the show as well on my live as well. So I look forward to seeing you on my live tomorrow morning at around 9, probably about 9 a.m. there. But yes, that's going to be it from me. So yeah, peace out and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester.